What if I told you that you can make more money or increase your real estate investment returns with just a few simple changes? For many, buying and renting out property is the end of the process. However, for prudent real estate investors, it's the start of a creative process where they can earn more than just rent. In some cases, increasing the real estate investment return simply means increasing the rent outright. But that's not something your tenants would love, and some will outright not tolerate it and would probably leave your property. Yet, there are simple and effective ways to increase your real estate investment returns. Instead of directly increasing the rent, you can do something your tenants would love, ultimately leading to higher profits. But what are these methods? Coming up right now. Hello and welcome to Financial Freedom Kenya. I am Manyara Kirago and I have been a personal finance professional for the last 2 decades. In this video, I will explain how you can increase your real estate investment returns with simple steps. This video is for anyone who wants to achieve financial independence through real estate investment. Watch the video until the very end to learn practical steps to boost your real estate income. If you need help to ensure you get the best outcome with your finances, I am available for your support. Please check out my do-it-yourself online course, also my one-on-one financial freedom coaching, and also the Eternity Real Estate Program from the links in the description below. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and share it with anybody you think may benefit from it. Also, ring the bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video. So let's get started. Broadly speaking, you can have returns from real estate in 2 ways. First, you can buy a property, hold it, and then sell it when the price increases after some years. Buying, renovating, and then selling houses comes under this umbrella. In the second method, you can rent out your property and get monthly rent. In the first case, where you want to buy and hold a property, everything depends on your property's location and the demand for houses in that area in the future. In other words, you can increase your real estate investment returns by buying at lower prices and selling at higher prices. The chance of more returns depends on your insights and your negotiation skills. But in most cases, investors hold property for rent, and that's what we're going to talk about. Let's say your property has been rented out and you receive monthly rent. Yet, there are ways you can increase the money you make from it. Let's find out how. Number 1, you can provide additional paid services. It goes without saying that furnished properties in Kenya can offer a higher monthly rent compared to unfurnished ones. Not only that, but furnished properties attract finer tenants who are searching for properties where they can just move in and start living. However, few properties are furnished, so you can even charge more than you think by offering furnished properties. Since you're offering what's in less supply, you have a strategic advantage. Corporate, cross-country, and short-term renters are more likely to choose a furnished apartment and pay a higher monthly rate for its convenience. In Nairobi, where an average unfurnished 3-bedroom house can be between 50 to 100,000 shillings, a furnished house can offer 30% or more in rent. But things don't end there. If you own a multi-family property, such as a 10 unit or 16 unit, there's potential to increase profits through coin-operated laundry. If your property lacks inbuilt washers and dryers, installing on-site laundry facilities can improve your property's attractiveness and bring in additional monthly income. In some cases, incorporating 2 coin-operated machines can bring an extra 15,000 to 25,000 shillings per month. It's also essential to consider water costs in your town and Evaluate the availability of other local laundry facilities to ensure that the on-site laundry will be convenient for your tenants. Such a service may offer a viable alternative to the mamafua option with the accompanying security concerns. Another opportunity to increase income is to sink a borehole on your property and supply your tenants and neighboring properties with water. This is a lucrative passive income stream that takes advantage of the persistent water shortage. Number 2, ABNB during vacancies. Rental properties hurt the most when they are vacant because every passing day means missing out on the potential to make money. Luckily, you have got options. Since Kenya is a tourist attraction, people often need places to stay for a short time. Therefore, if you have a vacant unit, consider renting it out on a daily basis. This provides flexibility and the potential to earn more per night than with a long-term tenant. Short-term tenants are always willing to pay more. For example, a one-bedroom unit brings about 20 to 35,000 shillings per month. However, it can bring 5,000 shillings to 7,000 shillings per night as a vacation rental. It would only take about 7 nights to cover the lost rent for the month. Number 3, charge parking fees. If you have extra parking space in an area with limited parking, take advantage of the opportunity by charging a fee for parking extra cars and for neighbors. Sometimes your neighbors might have more than one car but a parking space for only one. In this case, you can be a problem solver by offering your parking in return for a monthly rent. This might not sound so ambitious, but it becomes good business considering the problem of somebody not having a space to park a car safely. Number 4, you can install a vending machine. In Kenya, the culture of using vending machines has not grown much, and that's a leverage point. Installing a vending machine in your property's common area or laundry space can create a substantial income stream. Your tenant, finding it interesting, can use the vending machines to buy snacks without having to go out. What's more, by asking your tenants what they love to eat and drink, you can fill the vending machines accordingly. You see, people are willing to pay for convenience. A vending machine stocked with food, drinks, toiletries, and detergents save people time. And if they urgently need something, the vending machine offers a convenient option. If you are thinking about using this option, consider buying a used vending machine to save money, as new ones can be pretty expensive. Number 5, lease a cell phone tower. If you have an open property where a cell phone tower can be built, you can earn as much as 150,000 to 200,000 Kenyan shillings per month in rent. Telecommunication companies do not generally buy the land on which they build towers, so they typically lease properties and pay more in long-term agreements lasting 10 years to 30 years. Put simply, it's a great opportunity to make a great income every month for years. What's more, the rent will increase with time, and this will be decided in the lease agreement in the same way as you rent your property to a tenant. Number 6, maintenance. You have to decide what kind of tenants you're looking for. In other words, whether you want tenants who are good with unrepaired property because this allows them to pay the rent late, or whether you want to offer a nice property, even if it's small, to tenants who want quality and a place to feel at home. Well, the second option seems lucrative because it brings in higher rental income from reliable clients. But for that, you have to enhance the convenience of your tenants by providing eye-catching upgrades. You can spend some money on cosmetic details like paint and decoration in case you're offering furnished property. These little details give you an upper hand in negotiating the rent. In most cases, the same property after maintenance brought tenants willing to pay 10 to 20% more rent than the last one. Number 7, install solar panels. You would notice that a significant portion of your income would go towards paying electricity bills. The same is the case for any tenant living on your rented property. So, why not explore the possibility to fulfill this electricity demand by offering electricity and charging for it? You can become the utility provider by installing solar panels on your rental property, by adding panels that can save you costs by covering your energy needs and allow you to generate income by selling the surplus to your tenants. Did these simple yet effective ideas come to your mind before? After watching this video, if you have thought about any tip that can help people increase real estate investment returns, please share it down below in the comment section. Let me know which of these steps you would like to try to increase your real estate investment income and returns. If you want to learn in more detail how you too can generate passive income through real estate investing so that you can finally gain financial freedom, then what you need to do is watch my free training. Click the link in the description below to get immediate access. If you loved this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for practical insights on financial freedom, personal finance, and financial literacy. Thank you for watching.